Do you like to watch cartoons? Let's see if you know this 50 most popular cartoon shows of all times. Mickey Mouse, Mickey Mouse, Looney Tunes, Looney Tunes, Tom and Jerry, Tom and Jerry, SpongeBob SquarePants, SpongeBob SquarePants, The Simpsons, The Simpsons, Scooby-Doo, Scooby-Doo, The Flintstones, The Flintstones, Doraemon, Doraemon, Popeye the Sailor, Popeye the Sailor, Dragon Ball Z, Dragon Ball Z, Naruto, Naruto, Shinchan, Shinchan, Ninja Turtles, Ninja Turtles, Pokémon, Pokémon, The Jetsons, The Jetsons, Garfield, Garfield, The Smurfs, The Smurfs, Adventure Time, Adventure Time, Kitretsu, Kitretsu, Dora the Explorer, Dora the Explorer, Winx Club, Winx Club, The Powerpuff Girls, The Powerpuff Girls, Dexter's Laboratory, Dexter's Laboratory, Batman, Batman, Justice League, Justice League, Chota Bheem, Chota Bheem, Transformers, Transformers, Courage the Cowardly Dog, Courage the Cowardly Dog, Phineas and Ferb, Phineas and Ferb, Ben 10, Ben 10, Teen Titans, Teen Titans, Dragon Tales, Dragon Tales, Oswald, Oswald, Mr. Beans, Mr. Beans, Rocko's Modern Life, Rocko's Modern Life, Winnie the Pooh, Winnie the Pooh, Ninja Hattori, Ninja Hattori, Noddy, Noddy, Thomas and Friends, Thomas and Friends, Bob the Builder, Bob the Builder, Richie Rich, Richie Rich, Teletubbies, Teletubbies, Miffy and Friends, Miffy and Friends, The Pink Panther Show, The Pink Panther Show, Speed Racers, Speed Racers, Peppa Pig, Peppa Pig, Mowgli, Mowgli, Johnny Bravo, Johnny Bravo. Thanks for watching guys. Subscribe for new videos.